Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. I am going to do my very best to post a video for you every day in December. That's a huge challenge, but I am up for the challenge. Guys, my videos might be a little bit different. I would love to do decorating the tree and decorating the house and all of those, but truthfully, my holidays are a holiday in transition. And so I am going to share with you how I do the holidays in transition, because I'm guessing that I'm not the only one that's going through transition. In fact, I know I'm not the only one. People are transitioning every single day. And although I would like to recreate Christmases past, I've never been able to do that. And I've never even been able to create the ideal Christmas that's in my head. But what I can do is enjoy the holidays. So I hope that you will join me on this, 31-day journey of holidays and Vlogmas. And I want to share with you some of the beautiful holiday decorations in this wonderful city that I live in currently. And we'll see where I am at the end of the month. I hope that you will join me. I am also going to use this opportunity to introduce myself to you, just to let you know a little bit more about who Kelly Shaffner is. So if you have any questions that you would like answered, please leave them in the comments below, and I will be sure to address those in the future videos that you will be seeing in December. So if you're transitioning in the holidays, I would love to hear from you, because I do think that we have some challenges, but I also think that we can have a very joyful holiday. So it's just going to be different. So guys, thanks a lot for joining me. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join me on this journey, this Vlogmas journey in December. I can't wait to see you again. Blessings to all of you.